If you want to check your exercise history from Google Pixel Watch 3, then first of all you will have to open the Google Fitbit application, and you will have to go for exercise days. You have to find this tab, click on it, and as you can see we can switch between the week or month, and here you can find about exercises this week. So let's do this one more time. When you click here, then you will be redirected into this specific exercise, and you can find the distance, duration, energy burned, and what kind of the workout it was. You can also view duration of the workouts, the distance covered, time in zones like the light zone, peak zone, energy burned, and that's basically it. You can also add the exercise manual if you want. You can start tracking or log activity. So that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.